this massive and sudden split of the still relatively new Titans Track Club, where all the big names, Johan Blake and Akeem Blake and Brianna Williams, all gone one way with one co-founder, Michael Frater, while gone in the other direction with no star athletes is the other co-founder, Gregory Little. And look, not knowing the nitty-gritty of what caused the split, it seems apparent that this is another classic case of two bull can't rule in a one pen. If you look at the successful athletics clubs in Jamaica, they all have one powerful bull reigning in their respective pens. Stephen Frano Francis is the ultimate ruler in the MVP pen. Glenn Mills is the ultimate ruler in the racers pen. Maurice Wilson is the ultimate ruler in the sprint tech pen. Ronaldo Walcott is the ultimate ruler in the elite pen. Who was the ultimate ruler in the Titans pen? That right there, I suspect, was the problem. So the parting ways seemed inevitable, with this titanic split having Frater looking greater and Gregory left with very little.